Slow down. It means to reduce speed or to take things more slowly. Example: you need to slow down on these sharp turns. Break out. It means to escape or start suddenly, often used in the context of something undesirable like a fight or disease. Example: a fire broke out in the building last night. Put down. Mean to place something on a surface or to criticize someone in a way that makes them feel less important. Example: please put down the book and listen to what I'm saying. Look out. Means to be careful or watchful for something dangerous. Example: look out. There's a car coming your way. Run over. Means to hit someone or something with a vehicle, or to exceed time limits. Example: he almost ran over the dog that ran into the street. Hang up. Means to end a phone call abruptly. Example: don't hang up on me, I'm not finished talking. Turn down. Mean to lower the volume or to reject something. Example: she turned down the job offer because it wasn't what she wanted. Set up. Means to arrange or organize something. Example: we need to set up the chairs before the guests arrive. Bring down. Means to reduce or make something lower, often in terms of emotions or physical objects. Example: the news really brought down the mood at the party. Go back. Means to return to a place or a previous state. Example: I need to go back to the office, I forgot my keys. Pass away is a polite way of saying someone has died. Example: he passed away peacefully in his sleep. Stand up for. Means to defend or support someone or something. Example: she always stands up for her friends when they are treated unfairly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.